Pagod ka na bang marinig ang alarm clock mo sa umaga at pagod ka na bang magtrabaho ng more than 16 hours per day? And yes, wala kang oras sa iyong mga anak, sa asawa mo dahil puro ka trabaho. May nakita po akong solusyon dito sa social media. Nakakita po ako ng online digital business at sa bahay nyo lang po siya gagawin. Sa bahay nyo lang po siya gagawin at wala pong binibenta, hindi po tayo magre-recruit. Kahit wala kang experience sa business ay pwede. Dahil meron po tayong amazing training. Lahat po ng tools to become successful dito sa online business ay asa training open 24/7 in the background. We are worldwide po. We are any kinds of profession you are can join with the business po. Flexible. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Ang unang step nyo lang pong gagawin ay manood ng ating free webinar. Register on my website www.vernamaniquez.com. You will click the learn more, and then after that you will see my website. You just need to enter your name, your email address, check the small box there, click register now. And after you sign up, we have a replay webinar that you can watch right away at sesendan ko po kayo ng more info. Ang business po natin ay proven system. Thousands of people from our global community are successful. Different kinds of profession po na nakapag-retiro na sa business dahil sa business natin. Kita ko na proven system siya, legit po ang business natin. We file tax every year, retiro na po ang iba. Nakabili na po sila ng property nila, nabayaran nila ang bahay nila, at nakakapagbakasyon kahit saan dahil kumikita po sila, okay, sa business natin. At ang business po natin, we have a high commission, lucrative compensation plan, that's why po. Yes, for me po, ang business na ito, after 3 weeks of running the business, I be able to earn. And I decrease my hours. Before, I'm working 2 to 3 facility more than full-time, but now I'm just working part-time LPN. So this business helped me to have more time with myself, helped me to have more time with my kids. And you know, my kids is, every time we go out, they always want to go eat. I said, oh my gosh. But now, before I always say no, but now I always say, okay, yes, we can eat there. Because, you know, life is expensive, right? Lots of bills, but because of this business, it's helped me to pay some of my bills. My credit card now is getting better, and 4-figure with this business. I'm so happy for that. And this business can help you too. You never know po. If this is the one you are praying for, if this is the one you are waiting for, so see it for yourself. Libre naman po siya. Yes, you will have personal mentor na coach. Iga-guide ko po kayo hanggang kayo maging successful sa business natin. Kaya, i-check nyo na po, maganda po na meron tayong pinagkakakitaan aside from our job. Ito po ay side hustle na gagawin nyo lang sa bahay, as long as actually po, you can bring it anywhere. Basta meron kayong cellphone, laptop, internet connection, or data, you can bring it anywhere. And yes, hindi nyo po alam na baka ito na po ang hinihintay nyong solusyon para guminhawa kayo, para makatulong kayo sa Philippines, para ma-decrease ang hours nyo at magkaroon kayo ng maraming oras sa pamilya nyo. And yes, watch the end part of this video para makita nyo po na I earn with this business 4-figure. Check it out, guys. See you inside. God bless us all. And register on my website www.vernamaniquez.com. Click learn more. Add me on Facebook, Verna Garcia Maniquez. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us.